Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we'll discuss two different operators, size of operator and comma operator. Size of operator is a keyword size of that returns the size of a variable or size of a given data type in terms of bytes. Its typical syntax will be like this. We write size of, and then in bracket we mention either data type like int, float, char, struct or whatever, and otherwise we can mention a variable name, and it returns size of a given data type or a variable in terms of byte according to its type. For example, we have two int variables here, a and k, and one float variable b. Now size of a, this statement will return value of size of a in terms of byte. Now since a is an integer, its size will be 2. Same way, size of int. Now here we mention a data type directly. Now size of int in terms of bytes is 2, and that's why k will hold value 2. Same way, size of b. Now b is a floating point variable. Its size is 4 bytes, and that's why this expression will give a value size of b as 4 in k. So k in this case would be 4. So in general, size of operator returns the size of a given data type or a variable name in terms of bytes according to its data type. The other operator we'll see is comma operator. Commonly, comma operator is used to separate multiple variables or expressions in C statements. For example, we write int a comma b comma c. Here this is a comma operator which is just going to separate multiple variables or just going to list multiple variables. But when we use them with some expression, they can result into some different values. Assuming a is 5, b is 2 and c no value. Let's see this expression now. Now comma operator is a last operator to work in all the operators of C. Its precedence is last. There is least precedence it has. Now here we can see there are two commas and there is one equal to symbol. So there are two operators over here, comma and equal to. Comma will work at the end. So first the assignment operation will work, that is C will get the value 4, and then these two values will work with, but these values will be simply lost and they have no effect in the given expression. Now let's see the next expression. Here we have C equal to a plus b and then comma a into b. Here that comma operator. Let's see the next expression, that is C is equal to a plus b with a comma operator over here. Now again it's going to separate the two expressions a plus b and a into b. Again in this case there is a plus operator, there is a into operator, there is a comma operator, and there is a equal to operator. First the into operator will work and result into a into b, that is 10. Plus operator will work, it will result into 7. Then the equal to operator will work and assign the value 7 to C, and this value which is evaluated will be simply lost. So that is how a comma operator works. Now let's see a small change in the operation. Suppose we had put a bracket over here. Then since bracket has first precedence, the bracket will be evaluated. Now what is the answer of the bracket over here? In this case the first value in bracket is 4, next is 10 and last is 3. Last value of a bracket or last value inside the bracket is the value of the bracket, and that will be assigned to C, and in that case C will get value 3. Since bracket is the first thing to work in any C expression, so bracket will be evaluated. The bracket has 3 different values, 4, 10 and 3. 3 is the last value, and that's why 3 will be assigned to C. So that is how a comma operator works. Commonly we don't use comma operator to work like this in expressions. Commonly it is used just to separate multiple variables in a given expression. Thank you.